Yellowstone is heating up for battle. An explosion of energy. A test of power. Welcome to Yellowstone summer. This should be the good times. But summer here has a dark side that punishes the unprepared. And forces everyone to fight to survive. It's summer. The game is on. High in the peaks of Yellowstone's supervolcano, predators are rising. Over 600 grizzly bears are advancing on Greater Yellowstone. This young male has been asleep for months, and he's hungry. It's a big summer, his first without Mom, his first fending for himself. And winning a place at Yellowstone's table is not easy. During winter, cougars and wolves run the show. But power can shift when seasons change. His mom taught him, if you follow wolves, they lead you to food. It's one thing to follow, another to fight. He should easily dominate a couple wolves. But reinforcements are coming. The wolves keep control, but the bear will be back. First, he needs to build his strength. To do that, a bear needs food. There's always something to eat in Yellowstone. He just has to remember where to find it. What is that? Sounds like breakfast. Should be easy enough. Sniffing them out is harder than it sounds. But rodents are barely appetizers. Summer is short. He needs to fatten up fast. His life depends on it. By May, 8 months of snow is poised to crash into the world below. Ready or not, summer is here. Yellowstone transforms with the melt. Rivers swell by 18 times. More than 3 million gallons a minute roars over lower Yellowstone Falls. This much water makes waves. Downstream, a beaver dad takes his turn maintaining the lodge, as his family has for generations. Inside, he and Mom have 3 newborns. This pond is everything they have. But Mom senses trouble. Millions of tons of water are roaring their way. The lodge is designed to withstand a flood, but everything has a breaking point. If the lodge collapses, the kids could die. The dam is breached. Her pond draining. But the lodge holds strong. The family survives. But without a pond, they won't live to see another summer. All this water kickstarts an explosion of life. Summer is hard on the young, but they don't know that yet. Many of the animals born here will never turn one. It's up to their parents to keep them alive. For wolves, that means killing. This mom means business. The swollen river saves the elk's life. Now she's cold, wet, and still hungry. In summer, even meadows become killing fields. The grizzly's mother brought him here when he was young. He's back because he remembers today's menu features his favorite dish. Baby elk, available for a short time only. In 3 weeks, this young calf will be able to outrun the bears. Until then, his only chance: hide. The bear knows something's here. The mother elk tries to draw him away. If the calf panics, it's all over. It's a lethal game of hide and seek. The young elk must be perfectly still. Grizzly picks up a trail. The bear misses because the young elk has almost no scent. Another failed opportunity. They'd better get moving. The bear will be back. This stream will hide their trail. The water is still high. Just one wrong step. The calf is gone. He survives a bear hunt. Yellowstone takes him anyway. Summer can be brutal and benevolent. A potent cocktail of water and sun triggers Yellowstone's bloom. Filled with nectar for a special guest from 1,000 miles away. This hummingbird flies all the way from Mexico for Yellowstone's sweet nectar. Her extra long tongue can reach the riches at the back of the flower. Beating her wings 60 times a second uses up a lot of fuel. She drinks her body weight every day. So she'll fight for her flowers. A nectar thief. Back off. These are her flowers. At just 1/10 of an ounce, she's one bad little bird. Yellowstone's bloom is a window of opportunity for many. This black bear is after fresh grass. Eat up while it's young. These greens are most tender for the first few weeks. While mom feeds, her cubs explore and play. Climbing will come with practice. Dinner time. The cubs fatten up quick. No 1% milk for these guys. Mom's milk is 25% fat. But something is coming. A hungry male black bear. Mom knows he will kill and eat her cubs. The tree is their emergency exit. But male bears can climb too. Mom has no choice. She must fight. The cubs climb for their lives. Their mother will risk hers to defend them. The male crosses a line. She responds with a mother's fury. much bigger. But she has much more to lose. Her cubs are safe. The big tree provides an easy escape. And they've got one tough mother. As the summer sun heats up, high waters recede. Once dangerous rivers now offer opportunity. Warm water flips a switch in cutthroat trout. It's time to spawn. Across Yellowstone, hundreds of thousands are on a voyage back to where they were born. This male has come 100 miles. His final leg, a steep climb higher into the mountains. At last, a warm, quiet place to spawn. Soon, the first female appears. She digs a space in the stream bed. And releases thousands of eggs. Which the male promptly fertilizes. After all this, the egg's journey begins with a massacre. But enough will make it. For the adults, some will do this again next year. If they can make it out alive. The river otter loves trout. One of the most calorie-packed foods in all of Yellowstone. For this trout, the game is over. By late summer, the sun, so welcome months ago, bakes the land without mercy. Even boiling geyser basins begin to dry. Mud pools thicken. Yellowstone's relentless sun changes the game again. As the caldera heats up, so do the bison. Bull testosterone doubles. Their tempers flare. Yellowstone's behemoths are about to erupt. Now, the hot valley floor becomes the arena for the biggest fight of the summer. This one-ton bison bull has one thing on his mind. He's a stud in this herd and wants to keep it that way. His problem? There are too many ladies. With several females in estrus, he must defend multiple fronts. But it's not a harem. These females aren't his. When they're ready, they'll mate with any big male around. He needs to make sure that's him. There are dozens of love-blind males looking to score. The big male must scare them off. Some bulls don't get the message. Easily bests most challengers. But his next fight is always waiting. Victory and another battle. He'll go multiple rounds every day, running a marathon between bouts. He'll do this every day for a month. The price of being number one. During his reign, he'll mate with several cows. But the rut will exhaust him. By the end, the big bull is broken. He hasn't eaten much in weeks and has lost 200 pounds. His heart gives out. He got what he wanted. His bloodline is secure, but he paid the ultimate price. His body won't go to waste. Across the park, the young grizzly is after a different meal. He's had a rough summer, and he's not nearly fat enough to survive the winter. His hunger drives him 2 miles high into the mountains, where his mother once showed him a hidden treasure. Hiding in the rocks, millions of juicy moths escape the heat. Each one is 70% fat, and he'll eat tens of thousands if he can. But his secret is out. Fights over food turn ugly quick. The desperate grizzly tries to put off the trespassing bears. But mother bears are hard to deter. Hungry, tired, and now beaten up by a girl, he's not welcome here. Another loss for the young bear. Nothing in Yellowstone is easy. It's been 3 months since the beaver pond was destroyed. Mom and Dad have been working around the clock. It's Dad's turn to work the night shifts. Evenings are a cool time to get stuff done. He's a beaver out of water, so he must work quickly. Dangerous things go bump in the night. Coast is clear. Finally. But watch out. This tree has enough branches to finish the job. A few final touches. And the dam is complete. It's taken all summer, but the beaver's pond is finally full. Their masterpiece will help keep the family alive through winter. As summer fades and temperatures drop, urgency rises. Shorter days trigger the final big event of the summer. A dangerous battle of skills. Dozens of 700-pound elk stags have come out of the woodwork, ready to face off. With song. The prize? A harem. The female judges listen with a critical ear. Win their vote, and they join your harem. The first contestant. Weak. Lesser males are easy to identify by their feeble songs. The big stag is up next. His song is stronger, approving cows vote with their feet and leave weaker males. The next contestant. He's just as strong and steals several cows from the other stag. But no big bull worth his bugle willingly gives up his harem. Now, the two tenors face off. This voice competition is about to become a knife fight. The stag elk's antlers have grown half an inch a day for months. Just for this moment. An elk battle is as much about technique as brute force. Only last seconds. But 6 minutes in, neither stag is giving up. Finally, the old man runs the challenger off and claims his harem. His legacy will carry down to thousands of descendants. In this final game of summer, winner takes all. The winter wind announces summer's last call. It's been a difficult season for the young bear. He needs a final meal. His mortal enemies have one. He was chased off a kill by this wolf pack at the start of summer. But he's stronger and wiser and ready to try again. When out of nowhere, a bigger bear beats him to it. The big male is aggressive. The wolves, relentless. Bravely, the young male moves in. The wolves force the big male out. The young bear tries a surprising tactic. Stay calm. Steady. It's cool. By coming in peace, he secures himself a big meal. He's learned a lot this summer, and he's finally ready for winter. All bears must make the most of summer. Soon, there will be nothing left for them down here. And then, it will be time to den. The young male climbs high into the mountains to a steep north slope. In just hours, summer will be a memory. Covered for months by 30 feet of snow. On the other side, Yellowstone's summer will be waiting.